Welcome to this guide to migrate Elements Connect from Data Center to Cloud with JCMA. At first, let's prepare the migration in Jira Data Center. In the Admin section, go to the Migration to Cloud tab. Select your migration scope by choosing the projects you want to migrate. We then go to Jira Administration in the System section. Select the Migration to Cloud tab. We need to assess and select Elements Connect in the App Assessment section. Put Elements Connect in Needed in Cloud. Then you must prepare the app on your cloud site. Select the Jira instance where you want to migrate. If it is not already the case, you must install Elements Connect on your Cloud Jira instance. To finish the preparation, you need to look at the policy and agree to it. Once our assessment and preparation is done, we can begin to create the migration. Enter a migration name and a migration stage. You also need to choose the cloud site where you want to migrate your data. We then begins to choose our migration options by selecting again the projects we want to migrate. Most options in this part are up to you, according to the needs of your migration. In the Apps section, be sure to select the first option to have Elements Connect include in the migration. Once your migration options are set, save it and run the pre-migration checks. The pre-migration allows to be sure everything is in order and any error will be indicated. This warning, related to Elements Connect, is normal and will not be a problem for the launch or during the migration. If you have no errors or you have fixed it, you can review the migration. Finally, the Review Migration tab is here to have a last look about your configuration. Be aware that once migration is run, changes are not possible. Get a last look about what your migration will include, then you can run it. Your migration will run, and once complete, you can go to the cloud site. Let's go in Elements Connect in Jira Cloud. In the Admin page, go to the Migration tab. You will find a status overview about your successful migrations. Notice that JCMA has automatically migrate the values from your Data Center Elements Connect fields. Your custom field values will be directly available in their space, but you will still have to configure manually your custom fields to keep them operational. You can use the data center to get access to the DC configuration. Then you can directly go to configure the custom field. Elements Connect fields from Data Center and Cloud are different, so don't hesitate to check our field type matrix in the migration path, available in our documentation. If you're struggling while migrating Elements Connect, we strongly recommend you to contact our support team and to send them your configuration dump file for better efficiency. Go to the Migration to Cloud tab in the Elements Connect admin and click on Elements Connect Support Dump to download your dump file.